Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and permissions. This prevents wasted steps. First, plug in or reconnect the mic, test a different port, and power the device. Once done, open Settings, go to System then Sound, and select the correct input. Windows routes recording here. Make sure apps have microphone access in privacy settings so software can use the device. These actions establish a working device and permission baseline before we fix drivers or app-level issues. Next, focus on drivers and app configuration because many recording failures come from mismatched drivers or wrong input selection. Open Device Manager, expand audio inputs and outputs, update or uninstall and reinstall the microphone driver. Then go back to Sound Device Properties, set input level and disable enhancements to avoid automatic filtering. Finally, check the recording app. Pick the same input device, set sample rate and bit depth to match Windows, and test a short recording to verify functionality. For final steps, use built-in tools and targeted tests to isolate the problem. Run the Windows Recording Audio Troubleshooter in Update and Security and follow its recommendations. Open Advanced Device Properties and disable Exclusive Mode if apps take sole control, because that blocks other software. Test recording with the Voice Recorder app or another program to confirm success. If issues persist, reboot after driver or setting changes. Troubleshooting tip: if sound is still dead, try a known good microphone to rule out hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.